Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Venkatesh Reddy Motakatla and I am working under Dr. Anamika Dubey as a postdoctoral research associate in Washington State University, Pullman. I am here to present paper on primary voltage forecasting in distribution systems using principal component analysis. Motivation behind our proposed work in the fact that distribution systems are strongly correlated. There is strong correlation is existence, and in distribution system basically the primary level and secondary level. Our focus is only on the primary level, so we would like to do that primary voltage forecasting basically. So for that purpose, we assuming that all the data, all the bus voltage informations are reporting to the control center from primary voltage distribution system. At the control center, we will try to we would like to do the primary voltage forecasting under the presence of noise, under the presence of anomalous data. So here the anomalous data is nothing but system anomaly or maybe data anomaly. Both can be considered, but our focus is only on the data anomaly where it does not follow the physics of the power flows like bad data and missing data or sensor malfunctioning or communication failures. But in case of the system anomaly, which follows the physics of the power flows, like faults or some kind of load changes or some kind of topological changes, etc. So our focus is only on the data anomaly in this case. So then we would like to have some kind of network-wide anomaly detection scheme to detect these anomalies, followed by anomaly elimination, and followed by voltage forecasting. The same thing we can see here, the first plot where we have the bus voltages for every time frame or every time instance. Then we saved all the bus voltages at every time frame into one buffer. This buffer data we are considered for the observation matrix. So then this observation formed observation matrix, which has expected to have a noise, anomalous data, and it is in high dimensional data basically. So it is high dimensional data. So in that is the case, this high dimensional data we are trying to project into low dimension space using some eigenvector analysis in the low dimension space where the independent subspace projection is available. So then our task is to detect the anomalous data present in the observation matrix. So once we detect the anomalous data samples, so those anomalous data samples are replaced from the previous time instance data samples in the corresponding locations or corresponding nodes. As a result of that, we are eliminating the anomalous data there. So then the next instant task is that we are applied the vector auto regression principle to do the voltage forecasting at the low dimension space once we remove that anomalous data. So then in the low dimension space, we have the voltage forecasting results. Then again, we are projected back to the high dimension space using eigenvector analysis to get the primary network-wide primary voltage forecasting results. So the same thing we have showed in the results here. For the analysis purpose, we consider two test systems. One is IEEE 123 bus system, and another one is IEEE 8500 system. So both these test systems were studied in OpenTSS and Python environment. Basically, this everything is related to the quasi-state analysis. So then the first plot, we have only noise of 0.01 variance. We don't have anonymous data. Then the second plot is representing, followed by the next plot is representing that output and input of the PCA, and then followed by this counter plot where that error rate is 1.E5. That means you don't have any anomalous data here. And then we did the voltage forecasting. In case 2, also we have implemented for IEEE 8500 bus system where we have a bigger system. The same analysis we have carried out. That the third instant where we have the noise, and in addition to that, we consider the anomalous data at different parts of the different nodes basically for a given time frame. Here, in this case, is 90th time frame. The followed by counter plot is clearly saying that our proposed scheme is able to detect this anomalous data, then followed by elimination, followed by the forecasting results. And the fourth case is something we would like to be considered as a is a condition, is a peculiar characteristics where when there is a topological change in the system, there's a correlation may change. That correlation change is also should considered by this recursive part of PCA. So that means the topological is a kind of system anomaly, but we have considered only data anomaly. Our data anomaly detection scheme should not be misinterpreted the system anomaly as a data anomaly. For this purpose, we are trying to show that topological change is one system anomaly, and we are trying to saying that it is not misinterpreted as a data anomaly. Then Then we did some forecasted results we have plotted here. The first plot is representing that for a given time frame, all the node voltage forecasting results we have displayed here. And the second plot representing that for a given node, all the forecasting results at different time frames we have represented here. The error rate is around 0.003, that means 3 milli here. So the proposed scheme is thoroughly tested here and very simple and easy to implement in real-time applications. And right now we have considered only the quasi